when the vlog comes around. Hey guys, welcome back. Hey, where's Phoenix? Oh, there you are. Hey guys, we're adventuring in the desert. Guess what?
It snowed last night. I mean, really, I think it was this morning.
This morning. It is epic out. We are so cool.
Cold.
Cold. Super cold. Anyways, smash cut to epic desert adventure B-roll. Go! It's cold.
Ooh.
It's cold out when it snows. I need a jacket. Oh no, the continuity. Alright, so my goal is to fly a drone while one-wheeling.
We've done that before.
Yeah, but today my goal is to do that more. Because I already did that at sunrise, which was epic.
I think the temperature is dropping by like, I was gonna say by the minute, but it's going faster than that. Like it just went from like cold to like freezing.
Well, look, we got darker too. We went in the cloud.
Look at me in a V-neck stylist.
Geez, I felt a little overexposed there for a second. Hey friends, what's up? It's Shalico and Phoenix. Phoenix, they want you to talk more.
Oh? Is that what they say?
I mean,
did you take a poll?
My friend was just like, I share my videos with people. I'm like, what do you think? They're like, we want more Phoenix.
Aww.
One thing that we haven't really mentioned is that we're total foodies. So I made this beef roast, grilled and slow cooked it. Now we're eating it at this amazing roadside diner. Where's my food spotter? So we have a concept when food is like this, fall off the bone delicious. When you offer somebody food like that, you need to provide a food spotter. So if they go into a foodgasm, you gotta be there to like catch them. Where's my food spotter? Do you have a food spotter?
Do you get weak in the knees when you eat really delicious food?
Do you love food? Because food is pretty much my favorite thing because it's future me. I mean, that's pretty awesome. It's like me, but in the future.
It's kind of weird.
But think about it. This is me later.
Yeah, what you eat, right? Potatoes. It's so cold. Woo!
So, funny story. I had some difficulty getting here because of reasons, but I'm not mad because it got me up butt-ass early to shoot this epic sunrise. Check it. We're just gonna smash cut to B-roll from this one take. That's all the vlog's gonna be today. Hope you like that. I thought it was fall, but it feels like winter.
Do we look as cold as we are right now on film? Do we look cold?
Do we look cool?
Cold.
Vlogging in the country, totally getting stared at by the farmer. I grew up on a ranch. It's fine. They're all like, what are they doing?
And we're like, what are they doing?
Thanks for joining us on our desert adventure. Short and sweet. Hope you enjoyed yourself. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and try not to be a dick and eat your vegetables, and we will see you in the next one. Finks, you want to say anything?
Until next time.
She talks in her videos. She has her own channel. Check her out.